Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about your GATE 2026. Why so early? Because it becomes very much important for you to take this exam seriously now because things are changing rapidly. Okay. GATE Psychology XHC5 2026 will be conducted by IIT Guwahati as per now, and it can be changed or whatever, but that is none of your concern. What is your concern is that you have to prepare very well because scoring high in GATE psychology becomes very IMP, because the recent benefit that you got is that you can apply for DRDO and scientist vacancy and all those things only and only if you are GATE psychology qualified, that too with a good score. Okay, so good score in GATE is now very much important. The more high you score, the more chances of you getting selected just based on your score becomes easy for you. Okay, and yes, certain criterias about reservation and all those things are included, but despite that you have to score very high. Okay, now as we are talking about GATE psychology, you want, if you want, you have previous year questions absolutely freely available on website. You have to just go to the website, you can watch previous videos as well, and from there you can get all these questions absolutely free. Okay, but now in this video, as you can see, this is a GATE PYQ ebook which is for your all previous year question papers compilation, and that too Unitwise. Okay, now this becomes important because recently what have been analyzed is that your C1 is very IMP. You have to master your C1. If not, you will be in a big trouble because your score will be low. You can't miss questions on C1 because in this year there are many questions. I mean, from past 2 years many questions are coming from C1. Okay, so in this book, as you can see, it is a unit wise. So firstly, you will get the syllabus. Okay, what is in the syllabus of your C1? All these things are included, and this is the gem of your GATE psychology paper now. Okay, so as you can see, 2021 questions like these were there, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and that is it. Only five. Only five questions are there in your 2021, and you will get the answer key along with that, and then you will followed by the 2022 session, as you can see, and then again you will get the answer key, then same 2023 it becomes like that, and answer key 24 answer key, and just make sure that you put your focus on 2024 what is happening right now. Okay, how many questions? So many, much many, more many, whatever the scenario is. Okay, can you just see how many questions? 10 are over here. Okay, 10, and my goodness, 3, 3, 5, 6, 7, 17 questions from only one unit. Can you imagine? You are going from 27 to 65 this question, and out of these 17 questions are only from unit number first, and that is the same scenario with your 2025 as well. Okay, many much more questions are coming in 2025, and this is how you will get all these things in this GATE psychology PYQ ebook if you order from us. And then as soon as we finish 2025 you will get this thing, your XHC5 psychology C2, and followed by the same thing, and you will get for all units from your C1 to C10, everything will be covered unit wise PYQ compilation, so that what will happen to you, you will practice more and more, and you will revise more and more, and you will score pretty high in the upcoming examination of GATE 2026. Last year those who purchased, approximately every one of them have scored around 50 plus 60 plus on those papers. Okay, and you also might have not given, or your score might be low, so make sure that you purchase this time with for this unit wise PYQ compilation, and that is it. Okay, if you want to purchase you can purchase. If you want to go free stuff, you can go for free materials for the that thing GATE psychology PYQ paper. I have told in previous videos how you can access that by visiting to the website. Okay, now those who want to order this, just check the description. The details are given how you can order this, and it will be available for you within 9 hours. Okay, within 9 hours it will be available for you. Now talking about your GATE psychology 2026, how you can prepare. You have to prepare from only two books right now, that is called as a C book and the A book. If you don't know what these are, make sure that you watch the previous video, and if not, you can just check the link in the description. You will get the idea of these books. Okay, now if you want these ebooks free, completely free, you can just join the Telegram channel. Link is given in the description. So you join the group, order the PYQ ebook, and you are all set to go. You have to just revise from these two books, and you have to just practice again and again for your GATE 2026 examination, and practice those unit wise PYQs very much. Okay, because PYQs are getting repeated again and again enormously. Okay, PYQs are repeating enormously, and they will repeat, they will continue to repeat in 2026 as well. But of course, and you can watch the solve PYQ solution videos as well for your help, which will available on the channel freely as of now. So you can watch those and you can prepare better from that as well. But what is the point of this video is you have to score high in GATE 2026. This is important. Now there will be a tougher competition, much more competition in your GATE 2026. Okay, why? Because your score will matter now. Either you have GRF, even DRDO. If you talk about the recent one, if you have not watched the previous video, DRDO one is what it is not included. They are not including even the JRF. No matter you are JRF or you have scored 280, but if you got gate score around 60, they will not consider you. They will obviously consider one from 72 or 74. Okay, it depends. But you might get lucky anytime. Okay, this is life. Anything can happen. You might get lucky anytime. But what you have to take care of, you have to score very much high. You have to prepare very well. How much efforts you can put in this examination, and you will score amazingly high and you will be selected for a DRDO scientist group B. I mean not group B but B what post, that one. And salary, obviously it is a government one, so you don't need to worry about the salary thing. Everything will be fair enough for you. But right now it's time to do the hard work. In spite of thinking of all those things, the motivation, obviously you need this thing. But right now what you need to focus on GATE 2026. Okay. And now one more thing, what is the beauty of this examination is everything is so clear and precise till last time, because last time they have just dropped down the cutoff around 40 something. Okay, but on 40 you might not be selected in DRDO obviously because people are sitting with 72, 80 and 90 score maybe in except C5 psychology we are talking about. Okay, so now it becomes very much important for you to score in GATE 2026 so much high that even they can't say no to you. No, we will not call you for the interview, because they have to take you because you will score so much high in, at least in psychology. If you score so high, your chances of getting selected becomes pretty much, and you have to prepare very well for GATE 2026. I am telling you there will be more number of people sitting in this examination now, because net is and GRF is not required for sitting in DRDO. Okay, and DRDO is something which is recently something which is good for psychology students. Okay, you will never get a government job so easily how DRDO are giving. You have to just clear the GATE examination with a valid GATE score. Obviously interview and all those things will depend. Maybe it is very much possible that 60% guy will be selected and 75% or 75 score guy might not be selected. Why? Because on the interview. Okay, but that is none of your concern, or that is nothing in your hand. What you need to do is you need to prepare very well to score high, how much you can, and you have to be confident enough to face interview, of course if they call you, and then you have to portray yourself in the best possible way. But right now the condition is nothing about the interview. Don't care about that, just focus on you have to give GATE 2026 and score high as much as possible. Okay, because it can secure you a government job. If you just imagine you can score 80, 70 like that, and you will be easily getting admitted into the government job. And this 2026 will be valid for I guess 26, 27, 28 for 3 years. So in these 3 years, if anything comes up and they require gate valid score, and DRDO is just a prime example, in future there will be more such kind of things where they will prefer someone from gate qualified psychology except C5. Okay. Alright, so this was some little news over here, because the examination will be in February, that is so sure. Last time it was around 15th or 16th February for XHC5. So make sure, right now we are in June. So July, August, September, October, November, December and January and February. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months you are having roughly, and in 6, 7 months you have to study very hard for your XHC5. Okay? Alright. Thank you very much. Have a nice day ahead. And what else? If you have any questions about this, about preparation, do comment down below. And thank you. And those who want to order, most welcome. Those who don't want to order, most welcome. All the best. Just qualify GATE 2026 with a high score. No matter what you do, you have to clear it and you have to get a government job as soon as possible. Because in future there will be more options for you. You are not taking this seriously, you are thinking of this right now. Just leave everything apart, and in August, I guess July, August, you will start filling forms as well. Okay, so make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so that you are aware when things are coming, what is coming, what is not coming, and how you can prepare very well. Okay, and I have made previous videos where you can prepare freely, completely free for this thing, GATE 2026. But right now, competition will increase and you have to take care of yourself. Read from the books A and C, and that is it. Thank you and have a nice day.